Today, I'm gonna tell you about Agencyjoy. Before we dive in, please make sure to subscribe to appsumo's YouTube channel. Agencyjoy is a tool that could help you gather leads, design multiple sales pipelines, and set meetings, all from one user-friendly dashboard. An easy-to-use CRM that lets you store, manage, engage, and convert new leads into loyal customers. Convert visitors with leads forms, email sequences, and multiple sales pipelines. Sync with Gmail, Google Calendar, Outlook Mail, or Outlook Calendar to integrate to-do lists, meetings, and follow-ups. Agencyjoy helps you manage leads so you can easily grow your business from opt-in forms to nurture sequences and integrations. It has everything you need to turn leads into clients. Here's how it works. First, we'll set up a form to collect lead. Just add custom fields, drag and drop everything into place and update the text. Set up required fields to make sure you capture the exact info you're looking for. You can also design the form, headers, fields, and the submit button. Or you can choose a template theme that aligns with your brand. Way better than Excel, much simpler than HubSpot. You can set it up so that the leads get a thank you message, or they're redirected to a new page after completing the form. Save time with default logic that lets you automatically assign new leads to your team. And only target users that meet certain criteria, like qualified website leads from Great Britain. Plus, you can add custom tags, like high value, or a lister to organize your leads in the backend. Now all you got to do is grab the embed code to add the form to your website. Or you can copy the link and send it out directly. After collecting info from your leads, create custom email templates to engage with them. Use Joy Assist, your AI email assistant, to draft messages on the spot. Just pick the tone and language, and watch Joy Assist do its thing. Because every marketer needs a good assistant. Sales CRM loved by growing agencies. Individual emails are great, but what about campaigns? Agencyjoy can do that too. Just gotta select the leads you want to add to your nurture campaign and choose your sequence. But the features don't stop there. Agencyjoy lets you connect to over 5,000 apps like Google, MailChimp, Asana, and Slack. And you'll be able to set up your schedule to book more meetings with prospects. These lead forms provide analytics data about respondents, submissions, and conversion rates, so you will have all the info you need right at your fingertips. You can design email sequences to warm up your sales prospects and get them through your sales pipeline. Enroll multiple leads to a specific email sequence and automatically send them from your mailbox based on your preferred schedule. You will even be able to personalize emails and evaluate analytics for open rates and reply rates to improve your result. This tool also gives you access to Joy Assist, the AI email assistant that can automatically generate emails and templates for you. You get an overview of tracked emails, opportunities at different stages, and contextual analytics right from your dashboard. Customize the default sales pipeline to fit your unique workflow. You will get an in-depth account of each lead, where you can access their contact information, activities, and notes. Agencyjoy offers two-way sync with emails and calendars, so you can integrate activities from your Outlook Mail, Outlook Calendar, Gmail, or Google Calendar. You can also add calendars right on your website, enabling clients to book a time slot and receive meeting invite details. Boost your lead generation and close more deals with a powerful sales CRM. Agencyjoy is here to help you collect leads, send engaging email sequences, manage your custom pipeline, and close more deals. Streamline your lead generation. So, click on the link below to Agencyjoy for an incredible price. Hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching.